It defines the future of sheet metal working and shows solutions to current challenges. Once again, the industry show demonstrated this impressively. EuroBLECH is back. After a 4-year break, the 26th International Sheet Metal Working Technology Exhibition presented countless trends for advancing automation in and the digitization of the production chain.
Well, we can see a continuous trend to automation. So we can see how hard it is for our customers to find operators. And what you can see, for instance, here on this side is a fully automated bending cell. And we can see that this trend of automation is actually accelerating.
In addition to these topics, which we have all known about for several years, the topic of sustainability is coming up more and more. We all need to protect our environment, and for customers, saving materials, costs and energy and increasing efficiency, these are all issues that are playing an increasingly important role. 1,300 exhibitors from 39 countries presented ideas, innovations and engineering expertise on a net exhibition area of around 87,000 square meters. Machines and equipment from all areas of sheet metal working could finally be seen in action up close again.
We're trying to introduce technologies that aren't reliant on power. The power race, we're not getting involved in that. We're trying to develop technologies that have a real customer benefit from a quality perspective, but also from using less power to do more things.
International technical discussions, worldwide innovations and insight into the future. That is EuroBLECH. And the EuroBLECH Awards were also presented again. Innovations were honoured in 5 categories. Technical presentations for a highly qualified audience complemented the trade fair programme. At the presentation area in Hall 26, experts from around the world presented and discussed challenges and solutions. EuroBLECH, a must for the entire industry. From the smallest manufacturer to the global player, everyone is here.
Well, if you want to be in the know-how or in the or you want to have new things in your factory, then it's really a must, because you can't go one by one to each and every company asking them what's new.
I've had conversations with people I've already tried to get on board in numerous emails, but it worked out very quickly here. Above all, the international exhibitors are highly satisfied with the quality of the trade fair visitors, decision makers and scientists. And it is also clear for the trade fair organisers. In 2024, the industry will come together for intensive exchange once again.
We've certainly learned, during the past years with very limited personal interactions, that the personal face-to-face encounter, is irreplaceable. So to have a live trade fair here again in Hanover in its full glory, reflecting everything and demonstrating, presenting all the technological trends in the sheet metal working industry is fabulous. It's what people were waiting for.
EuroBLECH, the International Sheet Metal Working Technology Exhibition, will be held again in Hanover, Germany from the 22nd to the 25th of October 2024.